Hello there. Welcome back to Naturally Herself. If you are new here, I am Kat, the voice behind the Herself Tribe, a soft living space for women choosing peace, healing, and their natural divine rhythm. Today, we are diving into the art of healing travel. Because travel isn't always about escape. Sometimes it's about remembrance, a gentle way to return to the parts of yourself you left behind while surviving in a world that demanded too much. These are my top 5 soft life travel destinations for the feminine soul. Let's dream a little bit, shall we? First on my list is Sedona, Arizona. It's known for its mystical red rock formations and powerful vortex energy sites. Sedona is a haven for feminine renewal. It's the kind of place where the air hums with ancient wisdom and the land feels like it's cradling you. You'll find reflective hikes, sound healing caves, crystal shops, and quiet desert mornings where the sunrise feels like a personal blessing. I allow the earth to hold me as I heal. Next is UBUD Valley, a lush jungle paradise where healing is woven into daily life. UBUD is known for its temples, water purification ceremonies, and traditional Balinese healing practices. Here you can book yoga retreats, practice morning meditations by rice fields, and sip herbal tonics that have been passed down for centuries. It's a soft place where women are reminded to slow down, soften, and savor their sacred yes. I am worthy of rest, ritual, and reverence. If you're called to the ocean, Santorini, Greece is a feminine dream. Whitewashed villages and sunsets so ethereal, they quiet the mind. Santorini is a perfect place for a solo reflection, oceanfront journaling, and those soft mornings sipping your chamomile tea while the waves speak your name. Book a cave hotel, take a boat to the volcanic hot springs, and let yourself remember what it feels like to be kissed by the sun. I am allowed to pause, breathe, and be. Tulum is where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness. Nestled on the Caribbean coastline, it's known for its Mayan ruins, revered cenotes, and wellness sanctuaries. Spend your days visiting healing spas, swimming in crystal clear cenotes, or participating in traditional temescal, an ancient sweat lodge ceremony for purification. Tulum reminds us that the feminine thrives in warmth, water, and ritual. I honor the softness and strength within me. Last but never least is Asheville, North Carolina, a hidden gem in the Blue Ridge Mountains. Asheville is perfect for nature-loving feminine spirits. Waterfalls, wildflowers, and artisan markets fill this mountain town with magic. You can take a herbalism workshop, soak in a forest spa, or go stargazing in the mountain silence. It's a restorative grounding place for women who feel called to root and elevate. I deserve experiences that nourish my soul. When you're traveling with the softness in mind, it's not about showcasing luxury, but it is about experiencing luxury that is restorative to you and what it feels like to you. It's about experiences that awaken your spirit. Destinations that mirror your natural essence, gentle, wild, ancient, and free. Whether you visit these places now, add them to your vision board or your bucket list, or create soft moments at your home until you're ready. Remember this: you are already revered. The earth is just waiting for you to return to her in reverence. So which of these destinations calls to your spirit the most? You can drop it in the comments below. And if you love this travel list, subscribe and join the Herself Tribe, where we travel to heal, not to escape. Until next time, may you be softened, seen, and soulfully loved.